Today, we are going to learn some new consonant sounds. Review short vowels and then blend them to make words. Consonant sounds. The letter M makes the sound M. Put your lips together and hum softly. M. 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 We hear it in words like man, mat, mom. The letter N makes the sound N. Put your tongue behind your top teeth and say it with me. N. 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 We hear it in words like net, net, nut. The letter D makes the sound D. Tap your tongue behind your teeth and say D. 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 We hear it in words like dad, dog, dig. The short A makes the sound ah. Say it with me. Ah. 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 We hear it in words like apple, ant, alligator. The short I makes the sound I. Say it with me. I. 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 We hear it in words like igloo, insect, ink. Now let's sound consonants and vowels to make real words with short A. M, a, m. Man. M, a, d. Mad. D. A, d. Dad. M, a, m. Nan. With short I. D. I. M. Din. D. I. M. Dim. M. I. M. Nim. M. I. M. Min. M. I. D. Mid. Great work, everyone! Today we learned the new consonant sounds. Letter M sounds as Letter N sounds as Letter D sounds as D. And review the short vowels. Letter A sounds as A, and letter I sounds as I, and blended them to make words. Now let's go over the words again. Say them with me. Man, mad. Dad, nan. Din, dim. Nim, min. Mid. You are becoming wonderful readers.